Hey guys, it's Mike from Backyard RC. It's Saturday, November 6th, and we're out at the Guelph Gremlins Model Flying Club, which is a nice treat for this time of year. It's a little chilly, but we got some clear blue skies. So I brought out the Durafly p-40 Warhawk, and we're gonna get up and get some airtime on it. This will actually be a maiden for me on this airplane. It's not a brand new airplane, but it is new to me, so let's go fly and see how she goes. Just gonna get it trimmed out here. It's a little touchier than I'd like for a warbird, so I'll be programming a little more expo into it or cutting some rate when I'm down on the ground here. Definitely feel the wind hitting it up there, but that's to be expected out of a small foam airplane. Definitely see it pick up some speed right away. When I give it takeoff flap and then finally landing flap. So when I get into the upwind here, I'm just going to slow down a little and introduce flap for the first time. You see that little balloon, but it seems to be flying pretty straight. Now we're on full flight here. It's good and stable. I'm going to go around here and come in for a landing. Line ourselves up with the runway and bring her in a little closer. Since it's a warbird, I'm keeping some power on. We don't want to get too slow and stall it prettiest landing, but it is amazing.